What is up, everyone? As you could tell, I was running my route today. I actually did not record a lot of it. So I'm at this other location. It's a burger shop. It has two machines in there. One's a quarter gumball spiral machine. The other is a $1 2-inch bouncy ball machine. We'll go in, check it out, see how they're doing. This was from the 3 locations that I went to today. Not bad. There's a couple 5s on the top. You guys may have seen it. I posted on YouTube. But these are some of my products that I put in my machines. As you can see, Mountain Dew does really well. Rice Krispies, Cars, the Lay's Baked do really well. And there's a bunch of stuff. These are actually like pastries. A lot of the pastries do really well and stuff. I have some change, which wasn't too crazy. But let's run into this location. Probably not going to talk much. Going to try to film, show you all the quarters. I have my bag here, show you how much it is, and then I'll count it up after. And then I do pay a commission to this location, but I'm going to try to calculate it for you guys, you know, how much it is so that I could, you know, do a pretty good collection video here. Obviously, this, you guys can guess how much it is. If you want to in the comments, how much you think that is. That was from 3 locations, as I said. They were all combo machines. So, yeah, let me know in the comments below how much that is, and then we'll go into Juicy Burger and see how many quarters there are. So let's go into it. Alright, so as you can see, I collected from the gumball machine. The gumball machine was a lot less than the bouncy ball machine, which you'll see here in a second after I put this back. But I just wanted to do a little voiceover here and just let you guys know it is easy to get locations. A lot of people are commenting on my channel that they're having a hard time finding locations. I think that's just pure laziness and you're not really even trying. This location here, I do pay a high commission of 25% to the owner, but it ends up working out to not be that much money, as you'll see at the end of the video how much I made from this route as well as from my full line machines. You just need to be persistent, and you need to look up online how many retail businesses there are in your area. If there's not a lot of businesses, which some smaller populations don't have, then you'll have a harder time even making money in this business. But I do live in a town with a relatively large population. Just in my town alone and surrounding towns, it's about 200,000 people. So there's a lot of people, a lot of foot traffic, and you have to take into account the foot traffic that's going to go into each location. This location did really well with the bouncy balls. Then about a month or 2 later, I came across a spiral gumball machine and placed that in here. Now both of these collectively are doing really, really well, as you see. Lots of quarters from both of them. The bouncy ball machine is the best machine you can get out there. I bought it used though, because if you buy these new, they're like $600, but they're dollar vends, and your profit on these things are crazy. I got really lucky when I bought this off Craigslist. The guy actually gave me 1,500 free 2-inch bouncy balls. So all of this is actual profit. So it's kind of crazy to think. And even with the gumballs, that's all friggin' profit, because it only costed me $20 or $22 to fill it up with gumballs. But you're gonna see me struggle here to try to do this and put my phone. It goes black for a second, and I just want to let you guys know I appreciate everyone who's subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope, you know, you're out there, you're getting locations, and even if you don't have machines and you want to start a vending business, or even if you don't, if you go into a location and you think they need a vending machine, offer vending machines to them, gumball machines, candy machines. Say you're trying to make a little extra money for whatever you're doing in your life. We all can use an extra couple dollars every single month. So now let's jump into the actual collection and how much it was. All right, so this is the change from that location. I see a couple pennies in here, which I'm gonna take out. There are a few. You'll notice that in bulk that people will try to put pennies in your machine, but That looks about it. They'll also try to put dimes, which there's a dime. So yeah, check that out. There's a lot here. This is from 2 machines. It was 2 months though sitting there, but completely passive income. This took me seriously 15 minutes to go and collect, but let's count it out. 1, 2, 75, 76, 77, 78, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 75. Wow. And then you have a little change here, which just equals a quarter. So 118, if you count this, plus a couple pennies, you had 118 from those 2 machines, which is pretty insane. Wow, 118 from that. And then now we have the bills, which I'll count, which were from 3 locations. So we'll just count it over this, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 100, so 217 right there with the change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 47, 52 bucks. So 217, obviously if you count that, 218 plus 52, 218 plus 52, can't do the math in my head, even though I have a master's. 218 plus 52, 270 bucks. And there's also some change here. I'm not gonna count any more change. I was already 8 minutes of all of that. I'm gonna obviously speed it up. But $270 in bills and change. So let me know what you guessed below for both. But there's the bills. You guys love seeing the bills. And then you guys saw the change, obviously, which we can now take and you know, put it in our bag. But yeah, that's how much it made. So thank you for watching this video, and it sucks leaning down. So yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that nice looking subscribe button. Come back to this channel daily for videos like this, as well as being educated on how you can start your very own vending business. And if you haven't already, join the Enhanced Entrepreneurs community. Let's grow together. We're a bunch of entrepreneurs that are ambitious, trying to start businesses with like-minded people and, you know, work together. It's a free community. Check that link in the below for the vending group. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.